Cyclone preparedness with a battery energy storage system. Today I'm Peter and I just thought we'd share with you what we're doing today with our solar system. So we have a hybrid solar system, which means there's a battery as part of the system, and theoretically we should have backup power. But today, like most mornings, we've woken up with a fairly discharged battery and we're not charging the battery because it's not sunny. It's cloudy, it's raining, it's miserable. There's a cyclone coming. So I want to change that because if the grid goes down tonight or tomorrow morning, I want to have a full battery. So some systems, we can actually override the normal parameters and force the battery to be charged via the grid. You wouldn't normally want to do this because you just waste a lot of money. But today I am. So I'll just show you how I'm doing it with mine. So this is a day 6 kilowatt inverter. And we simply go to settings, battery setting, grid charge and grid signal. They're normally not ticked. I've ticked them. I press save and I've gone to system work mode, gone to the second page, and I've activated all the ticks on grid charge. These are just time slots, which if they're ticked, the battery inverter system will do things according to what we're telling it to do. So I'm just saying charge from the grid, charge 24 hours a day, and charge the battery up to 100%. And I selected that one. And so now it's charging constantly, and it will continue charging while the battery is not at 100%. Even if we use a tiny bit of power, it'll charge it straight back up. So that's how you do it. Not all battery systems have this ability. I quite like this model because we have a screen and buttons. So it's very simple. As long as you know how to do it, you don't need to connect a phone with Bluetooth or Wi-Fi. You don't need to go have an app. You don't need to connect to depend on the internet. You can just do it through here, which that sort of independence is what I like. The Tesla Powerwall 2 can do it. Fronies with a BYD, they can do it. Day inverters can do it. All red earth battery systems can do it. I don't know, there's probably heaps that can do it, but I know those are some that we would deal with and we know they can do it. And it's something that's worth considering when you're purchasing a battery system because not all of them can do it.